It's happening again. Scott Wessex Blades here. Thanks for joining me once again. Crossbows. Heard that there was going to be a consultation at some point. Already out. Okay. When's the closing date? Tomorrow. Oh, they made that easy to do, and all the social media platforms really allowed us to find that out, didn't they? So, thanks to Matt of School of Gladiatorial once again, and for somehow I managed to come across the video. Social media not very helpful when it comes to communicating and getting updates and keeping your finger on the pulse, like, you know. So the link will be in the description box underneath. You have today and tomorrow, apparently finishes on the 9th, crossbows and broadhead arrows, because you know that they're lethal. Yeah, the amount of crimes by crossbows are so minimal, you can find them out. So make sure that you do it. As a knife maker, I don't generally use crossbows, but it's another adjacent neighborly sort of group of people that I don't want to get ridiculous control over. So it's like the firearms, the knives, the crossbows, the shooting, the outdoor pursuits, anything to get people outdoors into a nice group of people doing archery clubs or, you know, competitive attitude. So generally speaking, my answers along the line through the survey was it's only bad people do bad things. The amount of crimes I've managed to research on crossbows is very minimal. There was one a while ago in London where he was banging on the door and he had a crossbow. It's usually violent intentions. There was a fortunate case where there's a man and a lady in a house. Another guy broke into and killed the bloke. The lady was pregnant, but he broke in with a crossbow, so he single shot thing, so he killed the man. If he'd walked in with something like this, he literally could have killed the pair of them, because it's more than one shot. You understand? A single shot crossbow is not the most maximum damage possible thing in terms of multiple people, whereas if you just drive a car down the high street like some people use, bad people do bad things. So that's generally the atmosphere that I answered all the questions in the survey, the online consultation. Be honest, be truthful, let them know. As I say, is once again they're leaving it open to the general public to leave general public's view, and the minority of us who would use that kind of thing. You know, I have shot shotguns, I have shot 2.2, I have shot 17 HMR, I've used crossbows, I've used bill hooks, machetes, and driven tractors, and think, you know, I've done practical things. When it comes to the law being created in big institutions in a big city that wouldn't generally come across those sort of pursuits, interests, yeah, you know, we need to make our voices heard in this kind of thing. So make sure you do it. We've only got today and tomorrow. Quite how far this video is going to go, I don't know. The reach on YouTube is, well, it's less than, I mean, I might get 200 views on a 12,000 subscriber thing. You'd have thought it would go to the 12,000 plus a few new people. Doesn't work like that anymore. So obviously Google scanning what I'm saying, Google scanning what the title is, Google scanning me with a piece of wood stood here is probably going to go and get zero reach. So best thing, please grab this video, chuck it up on Facebook so that anybody else in our playground can get to see it. Make sure that they get the time tonight or tomorrow to put your views across, Yeah, Crossbows Archery UK Law. Here we go again. UK Home Office consultation. When you go to the link, you got to go down a little bit, and there's a little thing that says respond online or something. It's not a direct link directly to the consultation. It's a sort of a proposal, and then there's a respond online or respond by email. You click the respond the online bit, and then it cascades into a series of sort of Survey Monkey, like 12, 13 questions of stuff. The other one I don't like, but of course you've got to do it, is that they'll ask you, do you do this? What's your address? And Black Range Rovers come driving around again, can't they? So they'll get your number anyway. That's what narks me off. So you're already sticking your head above the parapet, and now they know exactly who and where you are, whilst you're trying to say what you're doing anyway. But anyway, crack on, guys. Takes less than 10 minutes. Stick up for another. Again, we're knife guys. We're outdoor camping, bushcraft, but the crossbow, the archery lot are just to the side of us. So let's yeah, shoulder to shoulder, keep the phalanx strong, and yeah, stick up for other guys. Let's go, Wessex Blades out.